friends. I have some more books about birds to read to you today. This one is called Have You Heard the Nesting Bird? It was written by Rita Gray with pictures by Kennard Pack. Morning doves take their morning stroll. Coo, 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 coo. Woodpecker calls from a tree with a hole. Cook, 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 cook. Starling sings from a metal pole. But have you heard the nesting bird? What bird? Where? That robin nesting up there. Sparrow makes a simple jingle. Chittidick, chittidick. Swallow slides from under a shingle. Ha ha, chit-chit-chit-chit. Ha ha, twit-twit. Crow calls out, come meet and mingle. Caw, 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 caw. But have you heard the nesting bird? Not a single tweet or trill. This nesting bird is so still. Cardinal wears a pointy hat. Cheer, 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 birdie, birdie, birdie. Chickadee is an acrobat. Chickadee-dee-dee. Catbird sounds like a hungry cat. Meow, meow. But have you heard the nesting bird? It doesn't sing, not even a bit. All it does is sit and sit. Blue Jay's shriek is sharp and as a drill. Jay, 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 Jay. Whippoorwill has his favorite trill. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill. Wood thrush turns the twilight still. Yelay, yelay. But have you heard the nesting bird? It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for so long. Wait, what's that? Tapping, cracking. Something made a little sound. Breaking, shaking. The bird is starting to move around, ruffling, shuffling. The bird flew off with something blue, cheeping, peeping. Look, another robin is coming too. The baby birds are here. The second book I'd like to read you is called Feathers, Not Just for Flying. This was written by Melissa Stewart and illustrated by Sarah S. Brannon. Birds and feathers go together like trees and leaves, like stars and the sky. All birds have feathers, but no other animals do. Most birds have thousands of feathers, but those feathers aren't all the same. That's because feathers have many different jobs to do. Feathers can warm like a blanket. Or cushion like a pillow. Feathers can shade out sun like an umbrella. Or protect skin like sunscreen. Feathers can soak up water like a sponge or clean up messes like a scrub brush. Feathers can distract attackers like a bullfighter's cape or hide a bird from predators like camouflage clothing. Feathers can make high-pitched sounds like a whistle or attract attention like a fancy jewel. Feathers can dig holes like a backhoe or carry building supplies like a forklift. Feathers can help birds float like a life jacket or plunge downward like a fishing sinker. Feathers can glide like a sled or sprint across the snow like snowshoes. But most of all, feathers can give birds the lift they need to race across the sky. Kinds of feathers. Many scientists study birds, and they are learning new information every day. Right now, not all scientists agree about the best way to classify types of feathers. Here is one system that many scientists use. These are tiny phyloplume feathers that help the bird sense its surroundings. These are bristle feathers, and they are around a bird's eyes and act like eyelashes. These are soft, fluffy down feathers that keep the bird warm by trapping heat next to its skin. This is a semi-plume feather, and it works to keep the down feathers in place so that the birds stay warm and dry. Contour feathers cover most of a bird's body. They give a bird its shapes and colors. And these are flight feathers, which are on the wings and help the bird to lift up and move forward. Goodbye, Blue Room.